What if you can create a professionally branded content image for your company in under 2 minutes with Copilot? No budget, no Canva skills, no designer skills. Let me go ahead and show you how to do that. You want to go into your Copilot chat and you want to be either in the work or the web tab. And I'm going to paste this specific prompt. I'm going to say, create an image of a friendly, confident trainer teaching a group of happy employees in a modern tech training room. Large screen showing Microsoft Copilot in the background. And here's the important thing. Use the colors in the logo in the image. In this case, I've used Snipping tool to go ahead and take an image of my logo and I'm going to paste it in there. So when the image is created, it's going to use the same kind of pattern and colors inside of that image in the image creation. Lastly, the image says at the bottom, I want it to say at Rewire IT, we make training simple. I'm going to send that. Here's the image that was created for me. As you can see, having my logo inside of that prompt allowed for the tool to leverage my logo in the image, and it's using the same colors as my logo and putting my logo here at the end as well. This is how you can create your company branded images, just going ahead and giving the logo inside of the prompt.